so this is the last day, and we're going to be heading to Lake Como.
Yes, Bellagio, the pearl of Lake Como.
So it's going to be very beautiful, and it's good that we've done the last day just to get the most out of it. We got Mama again. There she is.
Mama, say hi.
There we go, that famous wave. And then we got the chauffeur, Davide.
Hi.
There he is, that's it. And our cameraman assistant as well. So yeah, we've got the crew with us today, and as well we're going to get an extra person, Nonna.
Nonna.
So
yes, we're on our way to Nonna now.
Yes,
So.
we're going to pick her up, and then we're going to be heading over to the...
Yeah.
So we got the crew now. Got picked up Nonna. And no ciao yet, no ciao. So yeah, we're heading out now. She's ready, lock and loaded.
Oh, che bello!
Qui tra un chilometro prendiamo la prima uscita.
Ah, da chi?
Vediamo.
So guys, as you see, we've just got here now. David, the brother, is just finding a parking space. It's very congested to get parking here, but no, it's worth the effort, worth the wait, and yeah, look at this, beautiful. There we are, walking down the strip. A lot of traffic, a lot of people, but no, nice vibe, nice vibe. We're just going to be heading to the ristorante, because apparently there's no bookings and it closes at about 2 o'clock. So as we just got here, it's best to eat now, grab something, and then we can have the energy to look around then. What's the restaurant's called?
Bistro Antichi Sapori. Ancient taste is probably of Italy.
Ah, beautiful. So basically there was another stairs just a little bit before this one. Everyone was going up there. It wasn't the same, it was a similar destination we wanted to go, but since this is completely empty,
Yeah.
this route, it's beautiful, we captured it really nice, haven't we?
Absolutely. And here we are at the restaurant.
Guys, I'm going to get the patatosa, which is pomodoro, mozzarella, patatine fritte. You know how they moan about pineapple pizza? They have pizza with chips on top, so I'm going to go with that one, and yeah, I can't wait.
Basically, we wanted pizza, but we got there, then they let us sit down. They gave us the menus, we were all sit down and comfortable. And we go, like me and James, for pizza. The waiter comes there, she goes, "We don't have pizzas today."
So after all that, we...
Best surprise.
And obviously, with mom and Nan and everything, we thought, okay, it's too late now to change. But we would have potentially changed restaurant and gone to somewhere else. But we thought, okay, then we'll have to have the pasta. So we had the pasta and stuff. It was fine. It was okay.
It is what it is anyway,
Yeah.
so we're fed now, so we've just got energy to
we
see the
full
place.
Yeah,
and
now
we're
we're
ready
full,
for the afternoon.
So yeah, let's check
And
this
this
place
is
out.
the main square, actually, as you guys can see here. That's the main square. It's really picturesque, pretty nice here. And we got a church behind us, which we're gonna see, the Chiesa di San Giacomo. We're gonna enter into the church in a second. Nice little church, wasn't it?
Yeah,
It
it's
was really
nice,
nice. Yes, Romantic style. Now we read there should be a town hall. We're looking for the town hall. We're gonna be heading there, and then there's a small street that goes uphill, and it takes us to the small fishing village of Pescallo.
Everybody is eating pizza.
Everybody's eating pizza. I'm getting pissed off. That's what I wanted to have today.
Yeah.
Salita Cappuccini that takes us up to Pescallo. Getting warm now. James not afraid of heights.
No.
It was meant to be a climb up because it said Salita, but actually it's we are going down here. We're actually going down.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at that.
That's nice. Where to next?
I think we should just explore a bit more like the town here, Pescallo, and then make our way along the lake towards the very tip of Bellagio, that is called Punta Spartivento, where it splits the winds, basically, that's what it means. The way it's positioned, Bellagio is right at the intersection of all the branches of the lake, which is pretty special. So we're just gonna head there. Chilly this morning, but the sun came out, and yeah, so remove the jacket first, now the cardigan. Is really, really hot. And yeah, we are right in front on our way to Punta Spartivento. We're right in front of the Grand Hotel Villa Serbelloni, that is actually owned by the Rockefeller Foundation. So we can't go in because we're not guests of the hotel, but at least you can see from the outside.
Guys, we're right at the tip. You can see the three sides.
Straight ahead, heading north, the north branch of the lake, and then we got this part here. This branch here is the eastern branch of the lake, down to Lecco, and then the western branch of the lake, starting from there, down to Como. So yes, this is the tip.
It wasn't too busy really, it was okay. Now a lot of people are coming down, but yeah, I think everyone shared the tip, didn't they? Now we're going to head to the gardens.
Yes, Giardini di Villa Melzi. So we got Davide, Mom, and then they're gonna be waiting for us there. So we're gonna get tickets and go into the garden.
Yeah, so just to have a count what we've done so far, we got here, it's quite a lot of traffic.
Yes.
But Davide managed to find a parking spot while we jumped out. We saw the main strip. We went to eat at a restaurant. Then after that, we went to the piazza.
Yes,
Seen obviously the church,
Yeah.
and the little towny communal feeling.
Yes.
Went down through some alleyways, down to the small port, you could call
Yes,
it.
the fishing village
Fishing
of
village.
Pescallo. So we did that.
And,
Now
And we went to the
head
point.
to the tip,
Yeah, to the tip. And
Spartivento.
Spartivento.
And now down south again
Yeah.
to the gardens di Villa Melzi.
So we see the. Thank you.
Benissimo, grazie.
Grazie.
Just left the cardigan to Mom because it's super hot. They are in the shades, they got enough for the sun. So we instead gonna be exploring the gardens. So basically we got the flyer, we got the map, and we got a little bit of history here. It was commissioned by Francesco Melzi d'Eril, Vice President of the Napoleonic Italian Republic between 1802 and 1805. So he ordered the construction of Villa Melzi as his summer residence in Bellagio. So the project, which was assigned to the illustrious architect Giocondo Albertolli, was executed in the years from 1808 to 1813. Okay, so in 5 years' time, they built the whole gardens. And this is a perfect example of neoclassical architecture, set in an enchanting garden with classical statues, century-old trees. Yeah, as we were saying, there are some trees that look really, really old, and exotic vegetation. And we got here a map. As you guys can see, we entered from here, and we're now around this part. So we're just gonna go all along and around, and yeah, and see what these gardens hold in store for us.
So yeah, as Davide was saying, for €8 we have all this garden, the beautiful scenery of Lake Como and the other, what's the other town?
Yeah, the surrounding
Yeah,
towns.
the surrounding towns. And then we have obviously its mansions and probably a small little art gallery of the sculptures and sculpture gardens as well. So
a lot of artifacts we're gonna see as well in the garden. We see like little sculptures
Yeah.
in there. So yes, it's absolutely
Not
worth
bad.
the ticket price.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from the Labyrinth, which was €18,
Yeah.
obviously, you know, Labyrinth was something special anyway, what it's created, and maybe it's a little bit more since probably less people
Yeah.
that go there. But
There's definitely a lot of maintenance as well in the labyrinth,
Yeah,
the bamboo
true.
plants. But here there's still a lot of maintenance to keep them
Yeah.
really like the grass and
There's
everything.
bamboo too.
gee.
Yeah,
yeah, the bamboo as well. So it has a bit of everything.
Ah,
That's the end.
that's a sanctuary. Una cappella. That's a chapel here. You can see if it's open. This is where the Duke that ordered the construction of the residence and the gardens, so Lodovico Melzi, is buried. So it's right in this chapel. So he resided there in the summer, he had his gardens, he really enjoyed them, and he was also buried here.
Nice.
Wow!
So we're heading back now then.
We are just heading a bit, I suppose we reached the highest point. One of the most beautiful panoramas on the lake. To be honest, I'm not sure what would win, either that one or the Punta Spartivento. Both are really good.
Nah, I think,
So
I think
maybe-
this one wins.
Maybe this one, yeah, with the green as well.
Right guys, so this is the grand finale. Obviously finishing off in the gardens and yeah, it's spectacular really.
Yes.
We thought the town, the port and the point was great. The gardens just, it's the icing on the
It was,
cake, it's the
yes.
cherry on top really.
Cherry on the cake, yes.
Yeah. So,
And the sun as well made it really, really enjoyable today. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cold, it was perfect weather. And yeah, this place is absolutely the perfect place to finish your visit in Bellagio.
Yeah.
Because it gives you the chance to wind down, enjoy the green, be immersed with the plants and so
And the trees
it's
and
really
stuff.
really relaxing and meditative as well experience in a way.
So this concludes our 1 week in Italy, and hopefully you enjoyed all the sights and scenes that we've shown and all the videos and things we got up to as well.
Yeah.
And so we're going to be heading back to the parents, and we'll be back in the UK tomorrow. But it is what it is, you know, and then you get back to normal life and to the next trip, to the next
To the next trip.
destination.
Yes, which is gonna be Lithuania. So we're gonna see you in Vilnius next.
Okay, so Vilnius it is, and alla prossima.
Alla prossima.
Ciao.
Arrivederci.
Ciao.